Today is Marvel's 8th birthday. So let's all wish him a very, very happy birthday. Our baby. He's a firstborn. He's a blessing to our family. Right, my dear? We love him so much. Yeah, he's doing Roob. Happy birthday, Bobby. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Marvel. Yeah, we're gonna make him a cake with a candle today. Yeah. Marvel, come here. Look. Are you excited for Marvel's birthday? We have a photo shoot booked for him today. Oops. We have a photo shoot booked for him today. And we all are gonna go for that photo shoot. Oh my goodness, you little man, come here. Yeah, okay, come here. Okay, my camera. Okay. Alright, Mara, come here. Come. Mara, I cannot believe he's 8 years because he still has the energy of a puppy and he behaves like a puppy. Touch her. Alrighty, let's give him his breakfast and then I'm gonna make him a cake later on. But let's get started with his food. Go.
I make it.
Oh, good job.
Come on, let's go give it to him. Say happy birthday, Marvel. There you go. Yeah, we have to get water for him. Come. Watch your step. Making hash browns for Aiden for his breakfast, and I'm gonna do coffee for us. Mayan is already upstairs. He started working. Let's finish up the coffee. And yeah, but first we add milk.
In butter.
Yeah, water first. It's hot, okay? Yeah, hold it from the side. Here, let me hold it from here. Careful, okay? Move your face, it's hot. Milk. And there you go.
Look. Now in water.
Yeah, now we add water. Careful, it's very, very hot. There's steam coming out. Alright, hold on. Can you blow your nose? Good job. Very good job. See, all the boogers are coming out. Good job. Here, let me make you a bite. What are you doing, you funny man? Yeah. Alright, my coffee is here and this is what are normally typical. My morning routine is on weekdays is that I make his breakfast. Either I make our breakfast or coffee, whatever we are choosing to do that day. And I sit down here in the dining table and call up my dad. I used to call up my mom also every single day. We used to talk for like hours. It has such a good memory in my mind, but it's so painful right now because I'm doing the same thing just minus her and it's just so painful. It's like, I don't know, I just wish I could do it one more time or I could talk to her one more time because this is a time when we used to chat so much and then I really, really miss her so much. It's like I don't know, it's just so painful. But anyways, yeah. So hot. I was just cleaning up the car outside. Finally done with it. But change of plans because we are not going for a photo shoot today.
Are you done? Are you done?
Yeah. We are not going for a photo shoot today. It got cancelled. It actually got rescheduled because the photographer messaged me this morning, hey, we're so excited to see you, blah blah. And then she said that I just have low immunity, so just making sure that none of you guys have any cold or you guys are not sick. And I told her, unfortunately, we have been having colds. We do have cold for the last 2 days. So I definitely don't want anybody getting sick because of us. So I told her that we can reschedule it whenever the next appointment she has it, and she was like, we will double celebrate Marvel's birthday. So that's okay, but we still have a full day planned. And when we make cake for Marvel, I'll show it to you guys. And also whenever it's rescheduled, like whichever day we go for the photo shoot, I will take you guys with us. But for now, he ate a popsicle, a homemade popsicle. Did you enjoy it? Yeah. And then today I'm gonna make him healthy chocolate popsicles. So I'm gonna share that with you guys as well. And Irene is gonna help me make it in the new popsicle molds.
No.
Yeah. I ordered a new popsicle mold for him from Amazon. So when it comes, I'll show it to you guys. Amazon. So yeah, that's the plan. The whole day remains the same except for Marvel's photo shoot. But it's okay, Marvel. We'll take you another day for a beautiful photo shoot. And she said she'll double celebrate you. Yeah? Can I get a paw? No? Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go make Aiden's lunch. I'm gonna make anda paratha for him. I'll show you how I do it, and then I'm gonna take him for a bath.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Mommy made egg paratha for you. You can eat it with ketchup. Why?
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Alright, now he says that he wants to take bath first and then eat lunch. So I'm gonna go give him a bath and then come back again and feed him lunch.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
His whole lunch. Look at that. He loves this. He loves it when I make paratha, anda paratha. For him, I use 2 eggs to make it. So it's nice and feeling yummy. And he finished the whole thing. Now I'm gonna go put him to bed, and then I'm gonna come back and make our lunch. Aiden is put to bed. My lunch is ready. Anda burji, basically it's scrambled egg, and you scramble it a little bit for longer so it becomes crispy in some other parts, and then 2 parathas. I'm gonna go eat my lunch, and my nose is troubling me so much, this cold. Thank God we don't have the photo shoot today. So yeah, it worked out for good. I'm gonna go eat my lunch, and then once Aiden wakes up, we're gonna bake the cake together.
Knife. Oh, my finger.
Let's see the new popsicle mold that we got. It has 7 shapes, Aiden. Oh my goodness, look, that's so pretty. A heart shape, pineapple shape, and this is a snowman shape. And this is a dino, 2 dinos. That is so cool, Aiden. Let's open them. Come on.
What's this?
Popsicle mold.
No.
Yes, this is a different kind of popsicle mold.
Oh man. Oh man.
What?
Snowman.
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 Snowman. Look.
Hello. Hello.
These are so cute. These small popsicle molds, and then it comes with the reusable sticks. and then you fill them up and then you close this. I'm gonna make it and I'm gonna show you that.
I'm gonna hold it.
Yeah, you can hold it. These are very healthy. Hold on.
Holy avocados.
Yeah.
There's no mangoes. No mango. This open avocado.
Yeah, these are very healthy chocolate brownie, chocolate ice popsicles, because it has avocados as the base, and then you use chocolate powder, like cocoa powder, coconut milk, maple syrup, and that's it.
Coconut milk and makeup syrup.
Yeah.
And water and ice.
Water and ice.
Yeah?
Okay.
No? No water and ice.
Rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
I have the bowl and I'm gonna give you the spoon, and you have to mix everything that mommy puts in here, okay? Okay? You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it. Let's do it. Cake.
Yeah. So first we're gonna put egg and pumpkin and mix it, okay? Let me crack the egg. Let me give you a spoon so you can mix it.
Not good. This is egg. It's yellow color.
Yellow color egg.
Hello?
Alright. Let me add 1 spoon of pumpkin.
No, so yummy.
Yeah, now mix it please.
Thank you.
Cinnamon to it. Okay. And some flaxseed.
Fluffy. So yummy.
Flaxseed is so good.
Let's mix it.
Yeah, mix it slowly.
Very faster.
Yes. So this is the cake that I make for him every year, because as you guys know, Marvel is allergic to a lot of stuff. So I don't give him human food, so I cannot make a normal cake for him that we eat and give it to him, because I don't want his stomach to get upset or anything. So that's why I always customize his cake that I make for him. Right, Aiden?
Very good.
Now mommy is mixing it. Now hold it. Now we have to add oats to it, and then you're gonna mix it again, okay?
Make it the dinner.
Yeah.
Let's show.
Ooh, mix it. Mix it nicely, okay? And then mommy's gonna add some blueberries to it for Marvel, because blueberries are very, very good for dogs and for humans. What's in your mouth? Chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought he ate this. Let's add blueberry. A lot of blueberry for Marvel. And some for here. Can you mix it? How it looks. It's edible for us. It's like literally all the ingredients that's in my pantry that we use for cooking.
Do it.
Here, mix it. And then I always make it in this baking tray. This is like a small bread loaf pan, and it fits perfectly in this. I'm gonna put it here and bake it for him, and I'm gonna give it to him with his dinner. And then Marvel is gonna, then we're gonna sing happy birthday for Marvel, and then he's gonna eat it. Okay? Yeah, Marvel's gonna, are you gonna give him his birthday dinner today? Are you gonna give Marvel his birthday dinner today? Yeah?
Yeah.
Good job, I love you.
Freaking good shit.
Look, it fits perfectly in here. And now I'm just gonna bake it once the oven is at 350 degrees. I'm gonna bake it. Time to cook. Hold on. Alright, let mommy open the... You gotta be very careful, okay? You gotta be a little bit backed up. Okay, it's hot. So come here. Be here with this hand. Don't touch anything else. With this hand, push it in. There you go. And now, close this. Yes, thank you, Aiden. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
Yes, now we have to wait and we'll tell Alexa to put a timer. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
It's going to be ready in 20 minutes. Are you excited? Is here. It's Marvel's dinner time, so we're gonna give him his food and his cake. Right, Marvel? Are you so excited? What did you I see. You are so excited.
Yeah! Happy birthday, Mama!
Yeah!
And on we'll go.
Nical nahi?
We got it!
We got it.
Happy birthday!
Marvel, come here. इसकी फोटोज ले लो.
We have to play. Here, eat it.
Hold on. Marvel, go over there. We'll sing you a song. Marvel, come here. And give me the H.
Mark, come here. Come.
Light it up. Hold on mommy's hand.
Sit. Sit.
There you go.
Happy birthday!
Yeah. Let me show you guys. That's his cake over there. Are you excited?
No.
Oh,
Come. Let's
on.
give it to Marvel. Come. Stay.
Marvel, sit.
Marvel, stay.
Marvel, look at mommy. Look at
Marvel, stay. Not Marvel.
Marvel,
stay.
sit.
Sit.
Sit. Marvel.
Marvel.
Marvel, back up.
Marvel, stay.
Sit. He is drooling. He
Marvel,
is so happy.
sit.
Marvel. Marvel, back up. Come on, back up, back up, back up, back up.
The candle. Marvel, blow. Marvel,
Marvel, sit. Back up, back up, sit.
Back up.
I didn't blow the candle for Marvel. Blow it. Good job. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
Day to you.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marvel. Slow down, Marvel.
Happy birthday
To you.
You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He loves it.
I know.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Funny. Funny nosy.
He loves
He
it.
loves it.
That's the cake.
Thank you for baking him a cake today.
We are back home. We went for groceries. And then he wanted to eat sushi, so he got
Yummy?
his... Yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, so he got California roll for himself. Good job.
Like this.
That's seaweed, baby.
And we have a very different kind of a dinner plan.
Yeah, right now we're gonna eat some
So-
snacks.
We have
We
these
have some onion samosa and some paneer rolls and one samosa for my uncle. Like a normal potato samosa. That's over here. We got it from one of the stores.
And later when he's
Asleep, then we're gonna eat Papa John's pizza. I don't want him hearing it. And then I got this for myself for dessert from Wegmans, and he got mini cheesecakes. Yeah. And then we just got some groceries, so we're gonna put that away and then probably,
Too big.
yeah, put it away, and then when Irene is put to sleep, we like eat our dinner. So yeah, that's it for, yeah,
for you.
for you, yes.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what our Friday is today, and we really did enjoy celebrating Marvel's birthday today. He was so happy with the cake and everything, and the best part was that I didn't help me bake it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna say goodbye, and then we'll see you in our next vlog. So until then,